Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix endless boot loop after Kickstart jailbreak on your iPhone or iPad. So as you can see, this is iPad 2 running iOS 9.3.5 and it's in unjailbreak state. So whenever I try to jailbreak, it will stuck on boot loop. So as you can see, whenever I try to jailbreak or Kickstart jailbreak, so it's jailbroken. Now after respring, it will stuck on this endless boot loop. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error on your iPhone or iPad. So this is an endless boot loop after Kickstart jailbreak. So let's fix this endless boot loop. So first of all, you have to force restart your iPhone or iPad. So as this is iPad 2, so for this you can hold both power and home button to restart this iPad. So after holding both button at the same time, as you can see, it's restarted. So now you have to open Phoenix app again, and after pressing Kickstart jailbreak, you have to hold both volume up and power button at the same time. You have to immediately press and hold these buttons. Now you have to keep holding these buttons until you can see your iPhone lock screen. So just wait for a few minutes to complete this process. As you can see, jailbreak process completed. Now you have to wait for a few minutes to get this error fixed. So you have to keep holding both volume up and power button. So as you can see, my iPad's lock screen appeared. So let me enter passcode. Now you have to open Cydia. So as you can see, it's in jailbreak state and Cydia is working. So now you have to just go to install and delete any previously installed package to fix this error. So after removing previously installed package, you can easily fix this error. So as you can see, it's reloading data. Now just tap on restart Springboard. So as you can see, it's worked, and now you have to simply restart your iPad and then again kickstart jailbreak. And in this way, you can fix this error. So as you can see, I have to shut down this iPad. Let me power on this iPad. So just wait for a few minutes. So this is working method to fix endless boot loop state of your iPhone or iPad after kickstart jailbreak. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful content. And you can see iPad is started. Now you have to open again Phonix or any other jailbreak app and just tap on kickstart jailbreak. So now it will not stuck on endless boot loop. Hope you will like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful content. So now you can see lock screen appeared and my iPad is working with jailbreak state. So as you can see, settings icon spinning. So this show that jailbreak apps are working. So in this way, you can fix this endless boot loop state of your iPhone or iPad after Kickstart jailbreak. So hope you like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful content. And now you can see CDA is also working, and this is a working method to fix this endless boot loop state. Like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more helpful content.